Please believe me. Please believe me. আমাকে বিশ্বাস করো। I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. আমি সত্যি বলছি। I am not lying. I am not lying. আমি মিথ্যা বলছি না। You must know that. You must know that. তুমি ভালো করেই জানো। I love you so much. I love you so much. আমি তোমাকে অনেক ভালোবাসি। Please believe me. I am telling the truth. I'm not lying. You must know that I love you so much. I come to talk you about Nick. I come to talk you about Nick. আমি তোমার সাথে নিকের ব্যাপারে কথা বলতে এসেছি। Where were you yesterday? Where you yesterday? গতকাল তুমি কোথায় ছিলে? At the restaurant. At the restaurant. রেস্টুরেন্টে। I come to talk you about Nick. Where were you yesterday? At a restaurant. Why are you so excited? Why are you so excited? তুমি এত উত্তেজিত কেন? Did something happen? Did something happen? কোনো কিছু ঘটেছে? Why are you so excited? Did something happen? Tell me. Tell me. আমাকে বলো। What is our next dream? What is our next dream? আমাদের পরবর্তী স্বপ্ন কি? Tell me. What is our next dream? Why didn't you come home earlier today? Why didn't you come home earlier today? আজকে তুমি কেন আগে বাড়ি আসোনি? Let's celebrate your success together. Let's celebrate your success together. চলো একসাথে তোমার সাফল্য উদযাপন করি। Why didn't you come home earlier today? Let's celebrate your success together. I'm sorry. I am sorry. আমি দুঃখিত। It was an accident. It was an accident. এটা অসতর্কভাবে ঘটে গেছে। I'm sorry. It was an accident. Mom, when did coming home? Mom, when dad coming home? মা, বাবা কখন আসবে? He'll be home soon. He'll be home soon. সে তাড়াতাড়ি আসবে। Mom, when dad coming home? He'll be soon. এখানে he will এটাকে শর্ট ফর্মে he'll বলা হচ্ছে। Do you think I'm cheating? Do you think I am cheating? তুমি মনে করো আমি ঠকিয়েছি? No, No. না. Do you think I'm cheating? No. Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me? তুমি আমাকে বলোনি কেন? I want to tell you on the very day. I want to tell you on the very day. আমি তোমাকে সেদিনই বলতে চেয়েছিলাম. Why didn't you tell me? I want to tell you on the very day. Forgive me. Forgive me. আমাকে ক্ষমা করো. I am beg of you. I am beg of you. আমি তোমার কাছে মিনতি করছি. Forgive me. I am beg of you. Why aren't you going home? Why aren't you going home? তুমি বাড়ি যাচ্ছ না কেন? Did you call your wife? Did you call your wife? তুমি তোমার ওয়াইফকে কল করেছিলে? Yes. Yes. হ্যাঁ. Why aren't you going home? Did you call your wife? Yes. Annie, thank you for everything. Annie, thank you for everything. Annie, সবকিছুর জন্য ধন্যবাদ. But I have to go. But I have to go. কিন্তু আমাকে যেতে হবে. Annie, thank you for everything, but I have to go. I'm ready to help you. I am ready to help you. আমি তোমাকে সাহায্য করার জন্য প্রস্তুত. I'll do anything for us to be happy. I will do anything for us to be happy. আমি আমাদের সুখের জন্য সব করতে পারি. I'm ready to help you. I'll do anything for us to be happy. I can't do it. I can't do it. আমি এটা করতে পারি না. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. আজকে আমার একটা মিটিং আছে. I can't do it. I have a meeting today. What are you doing? What are you doing? তুমি কি করছো? I'm taking a photo. I'm taking a photo. আমি ছবি তুলছি. What are you doing? I'm taking a photo. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. আমি খুব খুশি. Neha says that she loves me. Neha says that she loves me. Neha বলেছে সে আমাকে ভালোবাসে. I'm so happy. Neha says that she loves me. Why did you tell him? Why did you tell him? তুমি কেন তাকে বলেছিলে? Why are you still here? Why are you still here? তুমি এখনো এখানে কেন? Go to the kitchen now. Go. Go to the kitchen now. Go. এখন রান্নাঘরে যাও. যাও. Why did you tell him? Why are you still here? Go to the kitchen now. Go. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.